Is your hot water tank leaking? Call Water Out Now first. Stop dangerous mold from hurting you and your family. We are local and understand the Columbus area. We will extract the water fast and dry and clean any affected content. We accept all insurance companies, so give us a call now. We even offer 24/7 emergency service. At Water Out Now, we know water can be very frustrating. We want to help. Give us a call anytime 24/7 at 844-420-6881. Don't let another minute go by. Water damage can be devastating. Let's get started now. Call 844-420-6881.